We all used to think it. Filters are filters. It is what it is. Then we realised uptime is money made and downtime is money spent. That's why we created CAT filters and fluids with a different design so you get different outcomes. So what's the difference with CAT filters? Let's take a closer look. There's one outcome you should know. CAT filters are designed by product experts to get the most from your CAT equipment. Our component engineers work with filter specialists on unique features to protect your equipment. Rigorous lab tests go far beyond competitive standards. And it's all manufactured with unmatched reliability. Across the board and across the world, we work to deliver you real results. We're talking less contamination by a long shot, less component wear, like a lot less, and longer life on fuel injectors by up to 45%. What's that mean for your operation? Up to 4,000 extra working hours before repair overhaul, and lowering injector cost per hour by up to 80%. It pays to trust a system design, no different than how your original phone charger works better than that cheap one at the service station. The point is, all the extra hours, the spiral roving, the acrylic beading, not to tack on a few extra dollars, but here to help your equipment work more and cost less. That's the real difference. And it's a difference that really matters. Whether CAT filters or fluids, Hastings Steering is ready to get you started today. So now you know the difference. Knowing's half the battle. Hastings Steering. Your advantage.